This is the Adobe.com website in July of the year 2020, and I'm not sure exactly which year you're looking at right now, but the website may very well look different the time that you discovered this tutorial. But regardless, we'll do the best that we can, and hopefully the features and bells and whistles are not that different. At least you'll be able to figure things out. So let's go ahead and continue. Now, before I sign in here, I need you to make sure that you did the three things correctly. First of all, you purchased an Adobe Creative Cloud plan, whatever plan that might be. You also made sure that your computer matches the minimum requirements as mentioned in a previous video. And finally, that you've downloaded the exercise files. So if you did those three, we're ready to install software, or at least, in this case, visit a Creative Cloud website. So let's go ahead and sign in. Here we are. As you can see, the first thing it asks for is the email address, so I'm going to supply that. You can also log in using Continue with Google, Continue with Facebook, and your Apple login information, whichever is easiest for you. I prefer to use email, and I'll press Continue, and then of course I will supply the password. And as you can see, we can stay signed in. For some reason it never really works. I'm always signing in, but whatever the case may be, I'm going to go ahead and press Continue, and I will be reaching this page right here. Now, this is the welcome page for the Creative Cloud, and as you can see, it's got a lot of information which is relevant to your account. You can manage your account on the right hand side in today's web feature right here. So you can manage your account on this end. You can install the Creative Cloud app as we did in the previous video, or you can actually click on View All. So if you click on View All, as you can see over here, we have a lot of apps, and if they have an open button, the ones that I'm actually moving my cursor over, that means they've already been installed. Now I can go ahead and uninstall them by clicking the three dots here, and notice it says uninstall. I can do that if I like, but I won't do it because I need these applications. Scrolling down, however, I see applications that I have not yet installed, and that's why it's prompting me, these buttons are prompting me to install them. And if you click on the three dots, I have the option to learn more about these amazing software that Adobe produced for creative professionals like myself throughout the years. Now let's do a comparison between the app and the website. The website gives you access to your account details. You can handle payment activities. You can upload on the cloud space that Adobe provides and change plans. The app is just faster access to the software, but also requires internet connection. So please install any software you need using either the app or the website. Either way, I look forward to teaching all that I can.